In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows in Google Sheets. If you've ever been working in a spreadsheet and noticed that your column headers disappear as you scroll down, freezing rows is a simple feature that can make your sheet much easier to read and manage. It allows important rows, like titles or headers, to stay visible at the top of the screen while you move through the rest of your data. This is especially useful for larger spreadsheets, where keeping track of each column becomes more difficult the farther you scroll. To get started, open your Google Sheet and click on any cell inside the row you want to lock in place. This part is important because Google Sheets uses the row you select to help determine how many rows you may want to freeze. For example, if you want the top 2 rows to remain visible as you scroll, click anywhere in row 2. You don't need to highlight the whole row, just selecting any single cell within it is enough. Once you've selected the correct row, move your cursor to the top menu and click on View. A drop-down menu will appear with several display options for your spreadsheet. In that menu, find Freeze. When you hover over or click Freeze, you'll see a list of choices related to locking rows in place. Now choose the number of rows you want to freeze. You may see options like 1 row, 2 rows, or up to current row. If you only need your header row to stay visible, choose 1 row. If your sheet has a title row and a header row, then 2 rows may be the better option. And if you selected a row farther down, the up to current row option will freeze everything from the top of the sheet down to the row you clicked. After you make your selection, the change takes effect immediately. You can test it right away by scrolling down your spreadsheet. The frozen rows will stay in place at the top while the rest of your data moves underneath them. This is a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference when you are reviewing or editing information. If you work with spreadsheets regularly, using frozen rows can help you stay organized and avoid confusion. That's how to freeze rows in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.